What's going on, y'all? Welcome to Get My Tech On. Today we're going to be looking at the Google Home Mini. So now looking at the box, it's just a simple cube here, which is quite simple and I really like it. I always like Google's boxes that they have. So now taking a look here at the front, we have the Google Home Mini. And then we got all the services such as Wemo, Philips Hue, Chromecast, Google Photos, Spotify, Netflix, YouTube, and much more. On the back it says Small and Mighty. Then it has a bunch of the different features that you can do, such as hands-free calls, controlling your entertainment, and tackling your day. And then on the side we have a bunch of commands that you can use whenever you say the hot word to wake up the Google Assistant speaker. On the bottom, there isn't anything. So now on the very bottom of it, we have a pull tab, so we're going to go ahead and pull that off. And then opening the box here, we have the Google Home Mini speaker sitting right there. It's about the size of a donut. Now here on the back, we have our micro USB for power supply, and then we have our mic mute switch on the side. Now setting that aside, we can get to the rest of the contents here in the box. Taking out the little tray, underneath we have some pamphlets. The one on the top here is a Let's Get Started guide. Now looking on the back of it, it says that first we need to plug in the speaker, and then we need to get the app, which is going to be the Google Home app, either from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. The next pamphlet that we have here is the Get to Know Your Google Home Mini. Here we have the touch controls. Left side is for volume down, right side is for volume up, and then also the microphone mute switch. And then support and learn more. And then we have some more phrases that we can use whenever you say the hot word to the speaker, such as for your living room, for your kitchen, or for your bedroom. Flipping over the pamphlet, there isn't anything else. The next pamphlet is going to be a Be Safe pamphlet. It's going to talk about basic warranty and safety features. Setting those aside. Next we have the power supply cord. The wall brick is attached to the cord. And then we have our micro USB end that you'll plug into the Google Home Mini speaker. So this looks pretty nice. Nice little package that we got set up here. Google Home Mini speakers are pretty awesome. And yeah, so this has been our unboxing. Thanks for watching.